So in this video, I will explain how to install Linux operating system generally. So there are three types of models are there. So first one will be on-prem physical data centers, physical servers. So generally the system models are laptops that you know, and tower models, rack servers, blade servers. So these are the models which we will use, and in this operating system we can install either Windows or Linux. Based on your requirement, you can install in the tower machine or rack server or blade server, you can install it. In another way, in the virtual data center. So if you are installing only one OS, only one computer, right? If it is going to the virtualization environment, in the tower machine, if you install hypervisor, and we can create a separate virtual machines. In each virtual machine, we can install Linux. Same way rack server also. In the rack server, instead of directly installing the Linux, we can install the hypervisor. On the type of hypervisor, we can create the virtual machines. Let's take an example. My machine is a Windows machine. Okay. So now I'm using VMware is a hypervisor. I'm creating, this is one server and this is one server. So two servers I'm running here. But actually this is my computer is only one computer. But with the help of VMware workstation through hypervisor layer, I'm creating a multiple systems, depends on the capacity of the system. So even in one of the machine, you can install your Linux operating system. Suppose this is actually a Linux operating system, which I installed through VMware workstation. This is one type of lab. This is called virtual machine systems, virtualization technology, which used it. You can look at here. So now it will take a couple of minutes to power on the Ubuntu server, Ubuntu machine. Okay, this will take a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, we'll go to another topic. So the next will be cloud. Next will be cloud. We can create the Linux machines in cloud computing data centers like Amazon, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. Anyone, you can take it and you can create your machines. So these are the three types of labs will be there generally in real-time environment: physical lab, virtual lab, and cloud computing labs. These are the data centers. So take any company, definitely one type they will use. Present trend is cloud computing. They are not using the physical data centers. So even they used a very small data center they used. Most of the servers they'll be running in the cloud servers. So even cloud also, the servers are managed by cloud vendor in hypervisor, and through browser we are creating the virtual machines. Through browser, we are creating the virtual machines. Got it? So this is a Ubuntu machine. I got it. I can log in. See, so I'm in Windows machine, but inside the workstation of the hypervisor, I runs the Linux operating system. Okay, that's the beauty of virtualization. Okay, just like it's a normal graphical user interface, and you can manage it.
సార్ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Now you can see here, this is a VMware workstation, and this is a Linux machine inside it. Okay, so this is one server and this is another server. So, but actually, the behind the system is only one system, but it has a multiple servers in it because of the virtualization. So if you don't want the virtualizations, you can go to cloud like a AWS, Azure, GCP, anything you can go, your wish. Any questions, please?
సార్ లైక్ మనం 3 టైప్స్‌లో క్రియేట్ చేసేదన్నారు కదా సార్. ఒకటి ఆన్ ప్రిమ్, ఒకటి క్లౌడ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ ద్వారా, ఇంకో సెకండ్‌ది ఏంటి సార్?
Virtualization.
ఓకే.
So tomorrow, in the next video, so we will create one Ubuntu machine in the cloud, and we will log in, and I'll show you how many ways to connect and run a very, very important commands usage that I will explain. The most of the commands I will explain. That's for tomorrow class. So once you prepared that's well, the next day we will start installing components like services installations. Okay, a normal Ubuntu server turned into a server, application services, database services, and web services like that. I will convert it. Then after that, I'll do scripting. I'll start scripting. Okay.
Yeah, one question from my side, Rajesh sir.
Mm.
Previous to this concept, you just showed different flavors of Linux, right?
Correct.
So, yeah, in that one of our person also asked different commands also will come. So the same way, different type of folder structure also will be here for different type of OS.
No, mostly similar kind of directory structure will be there because of the all are taking the Linux kernel. The
Okay.
only the interface, a few commands to operating the system that will change, and benefits that will change. The remaining all same.
Okay, okay, sir, fine.
Just
Thank
like all our cars, but
you. Mhm.
Range Rover is different, BMW is different,
Mhm.
Mercedes Benz is different like that.
Okay, most of the features will be almost all similar.
All are similar, correct.
Okay. Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you.
But you don't want to learn all these things. As I
Mhm.
told you, right? If you want to become as a DevOps engineer, so
Mhm.
you want to become as a cloud engineer,
Mhm.
you want to become as a web hosting and web development things. So you can
Mhm.
learn Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS. These are the best for you. All right,
Okay.
Red Hat Enterprise. These are the best for you.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank
only
you.
my trainings, only those operating system only I will teach. That is enough for uh, maybe next upcoming your jobs.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank
Hmm.
you, sir.
These are the operating systems are there, not required, officially not required.
Okay.
Hmm. Thank you.